this lesson, I am going to show you how to create this countdown effect in Premiere Pro. To do that, first of all, you're going to head over to your project library, right click on it, and then head over to new item, click on black video to create a black video. And then click and drag the black video onto the timeline. And then head over to effects and search for timecode. And then click and drag the timecode onto the black video on the timeline. Head over to effects controls. Within effects controls, you're going to increase the scale and then reposition the countdown anywhere you want in the screen. And then you're going to scroll down to opacity and set the blend mode to screen. And then scroll down to timecode and uncheck field symbol. And then set time display to 30 non-drop frame. Now, depending on how long you want the countdown to be, you are going to increase or decrease the video clip in the timeline. So the longer the video clip, the longer the time. Now the shorter the video clip, the shorter the time. So right here, I have it at 4 seconds. Now if I increase it, I have 7 seconds. So I'm going to leave this at 4 seconds. Next, I will have to crop out the excess part of the countdown. To do that, I'm going to head over to effects and search for crop. And I click and drag the crop effect onto the black video. And I head over to effects controls. And I crop out the unnecessary part. And I reposition it in the middle of the screen or wherever you want it to be. You observe that it is counting up instead of counting down. Now to make it count down, I'm going to right click on the clip and then I'm going to nest it by clicking on this nest option right here to create a nested sequence, and then click on OK. And then select the nested sequence, head over to effects controls and set the blend mode to screen. And I head over to the timeline again, right click on the nested sequence and select speed/duration. Within the speed/duration dialog, I'm going to check reverse speed and then click on OK. Please like and subscribe.